everyone, we're here to play with this mold I got from Melb Molds. I have been trying at different things. This is actually my 5th time playing with it because I'm trying to get it to work out perfectly. I keep switching up what I'm doing. I was using regular craft resin, but I got some more of the tabletop and I thought, well, what I'm doing would probably be better in a thicker resin, so this would be perfect. So I am using craft resin, tabletop resin. It is thicker, does cure faster. And this is my 2nd bottle of it. I hurried up and bought a new bottle of it because I liked it so much. Just because it fast cured and it worked really well for crackle coasters. And that's why I have a set of crackle coasters over there for when my mom comes to visit. So I've got 5 ounces of resin mixed up. It's a 1-to-1, so 2.5 and 2.5. I have 2 cups ready for me to use. Make sure I put enough resin in them, but not too much. We don't need too much. All right. Put the other one to the side. I was just noticing that I forgot to grab my Magnolia Shimmer. Where did I put it? Look around real quick. I usually have it right in front of me and I don't see it. How did I manage that? Well, it's just hiding. All right. So let's do, this one will be my 1st cup. I poured too much resin in there, but that's okay. I am using Let's Resin Purple mica powder. I'm going to use a pretty good bit of it. I want to dump it on my mold because you guys know I'm graceful, but I'm using that much on the end of my stick. I'm going to give it a good mix. I really love, and what I've been playing with is how the mold shapes the design, where we have all the little ins and outs. So I've been trying to pull that out as much as I can. I've used lighter mica powders and it just didn't do it. And I've used black paste instead of white paste, and that was too much. It made it too dark because I have to back it very lightly. It's not a thick mold, so I have to leave some room, and the backing and the black didn't work. So this time I'm going white for the first time. White with shimmer. All right, so I am using my ocean white. And I'm gonna do a pea-sized drop like I normally would into my white. I do have about 1 ounce of resin in there. Then I'm gonna add just the tip of this spoon of my Magnolia Shimmer from Laura's Art Corner, just to give it that little extra stuff I love. Shimmer. All right, let's get this mixed. Now, because I'm trying to get with the shape of the mold, I have been using piping bags because I cannot pour it out of a cup. And I always say, if you can pour out of cups really well, stick with that, then you don't have to use another thing. I am not good at it. Let's see what we got working there. Yeah, it's a thicker viscosity resin, so when I stir like a mad woman, I stir bubbles in it. Can you see it? Luckily, this resin does degas or debubble well, thank goodness. I always need resins that'll work with me. I have purchased some that are just bubble fiends. I don't like to have to spend too much time cajoling some bubbles out of stuff. Don't have a lot of room, so I gotta smash this. I'm gonna have extra mica powder. I might have to do the edge of a tray or something. I always have one laying around for that purpose. I'm just tying up the purple right now, giving it a good twist. Oh, the other thing is that the resin was warmed to 32 degrees Celsius. That's important too. Temperatures, viscosities, all that wonderful stuff. All right, now I'm going to stand up to do this. I'm bad enough at it. I need to get a better angle. Doing it really thin. Oh, I'll come back around. Maybe I should have done a thicker point. I'll just go thin around the whole thing. Oh, well, even with the piping bag, I'm a little whoopsieing. I think I just did too small of a hole. Bub-a-dub. Shh. Shh. Esmeralda. All right, let me take a look and see how wonky I did it. I think I was able to save it a little bit. Doesn't look too bad. All right, we have a little bump out over here, but I'm gonna let that ride. One time I tried to move everything around and that messed it up too. So now I'm gonna have as little interaction with it as I can. Maybe do a little bit bigger of a snip off this one, huh? So I don't quite struggle as much. All right, now I'm going to try to line this outside of the purple. And one more go round, hopefully to fix any mistakes I made with the first one. All right, take another look at it. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Now I'm just going to take my resin and pour it in. I've tried multiple different things. with the center. And I think I found what works best is putting something in when I do the backing. Now, if we don't have enough room when we do the backing, we'll paint a center on. How's that sound? All right. And that's it. Now we just let it cook, and we'll be back in a bit. All right, we are back to see how our butterfly came out. I forgot to put stones in the center. We'll see how that worked out. I just backed it with black epoxy resin pigment paste and some purple shimmer. And we will see how that all worked out, whether it looks like a butterfly design or not. Like I said, I've been struggling with this one, so I don't really know what to expect. Let's see, I gotta get it all out of here. All right. All right, let's see if we got a butterfly. Oh, yeah. I think that actually looks pretty cool. The only thing I do wish I had something down the center, right? I mean, I could still hang it up. It's still super cool. But I need to figure out something for the center where it doesn't come in together. Thanks for watching.